Ladies and gentlemen, this is Aditi Ghosh once again on Inner World Revealed, and this is your August 2021 personal numerology forecast. I hope you've been watching the other monthly forecasts by me and following the tips that I have been giving. The entire idea is to do things that align us with the incoming momentum of time. When we will align ourselves with time, we will be able to be at the right place at the right time and also do the right thing. This is the ultimate numerology remedy which I am offering to all of you completely for free. You just have to do some very basic calculations and then simply click on the timestamps and find the forecast most specific to you. And I'm making you do this basic calculation so that you're able to find the ultimate accuracy. Now let us first begin with how the month of August 2021 is going to turn up for the world as a whole. And August 2021 is the universal month 4, as you can see. This is the universal year 5 running right now, we all know that, and 8 is for the month of August, and by adding the two we get 4 as the base value for the universal month. So what I can decipher from this is that the focus of the month is going to be towards development in the field of businesses and finances. So things are going to be put in order and a basic system is going to be created which is going to be followed during the rest of the months in the year that is remaining. 4 is mostly seen to be a time that needs a lot of effort and a lot of hard work. And this effort and hard work that we are going to be putting in as a whole is going to bring us proportionate and tangible results. 4 is always a very logical and a very grounded number which is always connected to the realities of life. So we are supposed to be very practical, we are supposed to be very realistic, and we are supposed to look into the basics of life. 4 is indicative of all things practical, tangible and material once again. So it is definitely going to be a time to look into the finances and the materialistic side of life. It is important to optimize our resources and organize things out there. See that they are correctly invested, see that they can logically give you results. The order that would be set right now, the method that you would be setting for the future would be very important, as that is going to be some kind of a guideline that we are going to follow for a long time to come. Like for instance, the order or the guidelines that were set during the year 2020 are still being followed right now and are going to be followed for some time in the future as well. So in terms of a 4-year, that was like a doorway to a change in a big way. In the epicycle, it brought a change in a big way, and now the year 5, the year of change, or the year 2021, which is actually giving us the year 5, is change in itself, which is on. And so in the similar way, the way in which the year 2020 played like a doorway to change in a big way, right now the month 4 is again going to be on. So that too is going to be triggering certain smaller scale changes, and it would be very interesting to actually see how the month of September 2021 is going to turn out, because that's going to be the month 5 and change itself. So I'm really waiting to see that. I'm really eager to see how September 2021 is going to turn out. So that was a little brief on the world as a whole. We are all a part of the whole, but also separate individual entities within ourselves. So definitely we are going to be affected by what's happening out there in the world, but at the same time we are also going to have cycles which are very personal to us within that. And now it is time for me to get into that, to get into your personal cycles. And for that, you already know that first you have to do some very basic calculations, and then you have to click on the timestamps that are specific to you. So you're going to find the timestamps in the comment section below as a pinned comment, and also in the description box below. So if you already know how to do these very basic calculations, you can straight away click on the timestamp specific to you. For your convenience, I'm covering it on the basis of activated personal year numbers this time, as this is going to be the time of setting order. So I'm also changing my order a little bit for your convenience, because it's going to make your life simpler. Now if you are new to my channel, let me help you with these very simple calculations. So let us go ahead with it. So what you're going to check right now is your personal month forecast basically, and to know that, it is important for you to know the personal year and the personal month combos that's going to be activated for you. You have to begin with finding your attitude number. On the screen you can see an example date of birth, which is 17th of March. The year of birth is not needed for this calculation, so you can just see that I've just added the day number with the month number, that is 17 plus 3, which is giving us 20, which is reducing to the base value 2, and we are going to work with the base values right now because we are not intending to write an entire book, because it's going to be very difficult to be dealing with 99 double-digit codes. Now you will have to add the universal year number to this attitude number, and that will give you the personal year number activated for you. So you can see that the universal year number for 2021 right now is 5, and by adding 5 to the base value 2 that we derive, we are getting the activated personal year for this case to be 7 for now. You have to understand one thing right now, that most people go wrong with the duration of the personal year. This is a very important point that you have to really pay attention to. Most people think that the 1st of January is going to be the onset of the personal year for them, which is very illogical, I feel. Please note this very carefully, that your cycles are going to begin from your time of birth. This concept is very important. You can click on the I button and find my log on the importance of time of birth, specifically dedicated to clear this confusion, right? So the duration of the personal year 7 in this example case is going to be from the 17th of March 2021 to the 17th of March 2022. In the same way, you too can find your activated personal year number and the personal month number, and you have to know that the transition point is going to be your moment of birth. Now to find the personal month number, you have to add this personal year base value. For instance, we have derived 7 as the base value right now, so we have to add 7 to the running month number. So 8 is the running month number for August, so we're going to add 7 and 8, and that's going to give us the base value 6. So personal month 6 is going to be on for the month of August 2021. But you have to remember once again, as I said, that the duration of this personal month 6 is going to be from the 17th of August to the 17th of September 2021, and that means from 1st to the 17th of August 2021, personal month 5 is going to remain activated. So like in this case, where we find this month of August to be a mix of basically 2 personal month numbers, personal month 5 and then personal month 6, 5 transitioning into 6, coming within the personal year 7 for this person. In the same way, you too are going to basically find 2 activated combos with the transition point falling on your day of birth, unless you're born on the 1st of a month, that is. So you're going to be dealing with 2 personal month numbers within one running month. So when you're going to click on the timestamps for the personal year specific to you, you're going to find your specific combos, the personal year and the personal month combos that are going to be activated for you during the month of August 2021. Now in case you need any assistance, you're finding it very difficult to understand this, please comment below. I'll be happy to help you with all the calculations and all the durations and all that. Now if numerology is this genre of numerology, if Pythagorean numerology is triggering your interest, you can definitely check out the 2 books that I have written to help you with learning numerology systematically. All the information is basically available on my channel for free only, but for that you have to do a lot of searching with the right keywords. But reading this book, which has everything put in a systematic order, will save a lot of your time, so you don't have to do all the browsing with all the keywords and all. Now let me get into the personal year forecasts and the combos that you all will be dealing with during the month of August 2021, and let me begin with all of you who would be having the personal year 1 activated right now. So if the personal year 1 is activated for you right now, there can be 2 possible personal month numbers that you could be dealing with during this month, either personal month 8 or personal month 9. Now, we all know that the personal years 9 and 1 are basically times of transition. During the year 9, many things are taken away from you, many things end and make space for new beginnings. And then during the personal year 1, new beginnings actually happen in your life. The personal year 1 basically is the most potent time for beginnings, which you shouldn't ever waste. That is what I always say. And when the personal month 8 gets activated within this personal year 1, it becomes further more potent. If you want to try out something, please don't lose this personal month 8. Always try to have a plan ready for this 8 activated time. It is an awesome time for trying out new business ideas, making important decisions which are going to be very impactful. It is also a good time for looking into your finances and making an investment plan if necessary. During this time, don't fear taking a stand for what you really believe in. Now, as you will transition into the personal month 9 after the personal month 8, you will have to change your approach a little bit. You will have to begin completing all the pending tasks that you have. You should not keep anything pending during the 9 activated time, and you have to try to wrap up all the unfinished projects quickly. And you will also see that the momentum of this time is helping you complete things quickly. So take advantage of this momentum and get things done. Also, the number 9 activates the past, and for a short while an old friend may re-enter your life or pay a visit to you, or maybe your parents may suddenly want your attention for some time, and you have to do what you do. You have to embrace a very kind-hearted and compassionate approach during this time, even though the overall time is going to be a bit towards being selfish. You would be driven towards being a bit selfish, but for this little month 9, you show some selfless love and care to all the people who you encounter during this time. If the personal year 2 is on for you, there can be 2 possible personal month numbers activated for you. They are either the personal month 9 or the personal month 1. So as you can see on the screen, either of these combos could be activated for you. Now, the personal year 2 is not supposed to be a very activated time for you. You must choose to go slow during this time and just follow through with the decisions that you have already made during the year 1. Now, if you are dealing with a personal month 9 during the personal year 2, as a matter of fact, for most of you who are dealing with the personal year 2 right now, the personal month 9 is going to be on during the initial part of August 2021, and then you're going to transition into the personal year 1. So during a personal month 9 which is going to be on for you, you have to embrace once again a very kind-hearted and a very soft-spoken approach towards people. Be kind and nice towards whosoever you have an encounter with during this time. Show some selfless love. Be ready to help, be ready to give, and also be ready to forgive. And also, don't get into any kind of controversies right now. They're not going to play in your favor. Also, try to be friends with everybody. Try to take a diplomatic stand and try to have a good rapport with all people. Now, as soon as you will transition into the personal month 1 during the personal year 2, you will be in some way dealing with some situation where you will have to take a stand. You will not be allowed to be diplomatic for a while and will have to actually stand tall and be a bit decisive. But at the same time, you mustn't forget the basic tone of the year, which is actually going to be very diplomatic, which is really going to be needed during the personal year 2. So be decisive, but at the same time, do not be too pushy, do not be too forceful. Show some tact and perseverance and be open to what others have to say. Listen to them, listen to their views. If the personal year 3 is on for you, there can be 2 possible personal month numbers activated for you, either the personal month 1 or the personal month 2. The personal year 3 is mostly seen to be a very carefree and a happy-go-lucky time when even if problems arise, they get sorted very easily without much effort from your side. The personal month 1 coming within the personal year 3 would be a very good time to begin upon any creative idea that you were already considering in the past. It will be a good time to start something new or to decide upon something which you'd been working upon for a long time, and luck factor is definitely going to be by your side. So whatever decision making is pending, make sure you consider them within this duration of the personal month 1, because as soon as you will transition into the personal month 2 after this, you will have to prepare yourself towards facing some sudden unforeseen situations which may puzzle you and confuse you for quite some time. So during the 1 activated time, your mind is going to have complete clarity. So don't lose this time. It's going to be extremely potent. The 1 time is extremely potent because your mind is absolutely clear. And then as you transition into the personal month 2, you have to become a bit relaxed and laid back and take things on a slower note. Do not jump into sudden conclusions. Take your time to think and to absorb. The month 2 also activates a lot of hidden elements that you might not be aware of. Many forces would be working behind you, behind the scenes. So you have to be very careful, you have to go very slow, and you have to embrace a basic peaceful, kind, diplomatic, tactful, and a very soft spoken and supportive approach during the month 2. If the personal year 4 is on for you, there can be 2 possible personal month numbers activated for you during August 2021, either personal month 2 or the personal month 3, with the transition point falling on your birthday. Now, to begin with, the personal year 4 is all about bringing about an order and method into your life. It is about strengthening your core foundations and building for the future, planning today for the future. The year 4 usually needs some systematic and planned hard work from your side, but when the personal month 2 comes within the year 4, you must slow down your pace and bring about a little hold in your system for a while. Usually the work front or the areas that bring stability in your life become very important for you during a 4 activated time. But as the month 2, the personal month 2 sets in, you have to pay more attention to your loved ones and spend more time with them. You will have to embrace a supportive, kind, warm, and a very loving approach. Then on, as your personal month will transition into the personal month 3, luck will begin to favor you more, and you will then resume the previous pace of work very easily, and you will also be open, you should be open to try out your luck. The personal month 3 will also see your optimism and your motivation rising. You will become or will be called upon to become more sociable and express yourself more freely. People would like to be more friends with you. And always remember that during a 3 activated time, you have to be ready to express your ideas more freely. You have to be ready to be more creative and share your creative ideas with the world. Now, if the personal year 5 is on for you right now, it means there could be 2 possible month numbers activated for you during the month of August 2021. That is either the personal month 3 or the personal month 4. The personal year 5 is a time of adventure, change, and widening horizons. This is a time when your social circle starts growing, you get more opportunities and feel more in demand. Personal month 3 coming within the personal year 5 is some real good news, because you're going to feel very highly positive and very uplifted. You will also most likely see growth and development in all areas of your life. You will feel more accepted socially and also feel your charm and magnetism growing. This is also going to be a time which will push you to connect with more and more people and communicate more freely with people, share your ideas, and also become a bit carefree about life. As the month 3, the personal month 3 will transition into the personal month 4, you will notice a substantial change in your attitude. You will naturally become a little more serious about life and about your work, and would like to look into your finances and also control, or in some instances curb, your expenditure. As a matter of fact, after a very freewheeling energy of combined 5 and 3, which the previous personal month was for you, a little bit of budgeting and curbing the expenditure is really needed. So look into the basics of your life, look into optimizing all the resources and set your finances in order and make sure that everything is optimized. Now, if you are in your personal year 6, there can be two possible personal month numbers activated for you, either personal month 4 or personal month 5. The personal year 6 is a time of paying attention towards home, family, children, and relationships. And the personal month 4 coming within that would push you towards bringing more orderliness at home, setting budgets, or perhaps organizing the home front a little bit. You'd wish to bring in some new discipline or set some new routines. You'd be organizing your resources, your funds, or perhaps your entire lifestyle. However, whatever your choices would be during this time, they would revolve around your home, family, and loved ones. Now, as you will transition into the personal month 5, some new avenues will open up for you and you may see some good amount of progress, especially with your children or your loved ones or perhaps your grandchildren if you have. Now, you will feel more uplifted, you will feel more carefree, and at the same time, the social support will also tilt quite a bit towards you. You see, the basic difference between a 4 and a 5 time is 4 always brings you square or proportionate rewards with respect to what your efforts were. But when 5 gets activated, it gives you more. It gives you more luck factor and brings you many opportunities and surprises in comparison to your efforts. If the personal year 7 is on for you, there can be two possible personal months activated for you, either personal month 5 or personal month 6. Now, the personal year 7 is known to be the time of rest when you should not try to bring about any major changes into your life. You should go slow at a comfortable pace and also at the same time take good care of your health. Also, you may naturally become a bit quieter, you may become a little less sociable and more introverted during a 7 year, but don't be misunderstood. Try to communicate with your loved ones so that you're not misunderstood. But then when the personal month 5 actually sets in during a year 7, it activates the social side of your life. Although the year 7 has a serious note, but the 5 coming right now would reduce it to quite some extent. It's going to reduce the seriousness of the year and also it's going to bring you some opportunities, and suddenly the overall silent nature of the year is going to be stirred a little bit and people may start taking some interest in you. Now, as you would transition into the personal month 6, your home front would become a bit more demanding and a bit more active, and some responsibilities may increase on your shoulder, some domestic responsibilities, and you are actually supposed to pay some more attention towards your children, towards your loved ones and other family members. Domestic responsibilities, because it's going to be the 7 year on for you, so domestic responsibilities may seem to be a bit taxing during the personal month 6. But then you will need to find your balance. You will have to balance your own personal needs versus the needs of others, of all your loved ones. Now, this is a year you have to understand that your general tendency is going to be towards turning inwards, towards looking inside. But the personal month 6 is going to be a little more demanding because you would have to show love and you would have to really communicate with your loved ones and show them that you really care and they are important for you. If the personal year 8 is going to be on for you, there can be two possible personal month numbers activated, either personal month 6 or personal month 7. Now, the personal year 8 is basically the year of outcomes, when you can finally see the results of all your previous decision making and all your efforts. 8 mostly is seen to be bringing financial gains, prosperity and recognition to everyone. And when the personal month 6 comes within the year 8, financial and business gains definitely is there in the cards very strongly. Also, career advancements also may happen, but all of it comes in combination with some increase in responsibilities in the domestic front. And one needs to bring about a balance in both the fronts. in the work front and in the home front both. And now as the personal month 6 would transition into the personal month 7, you may notice a little slowdown in the ongoing momentum. It may feel a bit frustrating for a while because some halt may come and you may not find equal materialistic gains as you were finding before. But you must not worry, because there's always some silence before the storm, and the fact that there's this ongoing silence right now, it only means that the storm is brewing up somewhere. So don't worry, the overall year is a very good one with a great momentum. Usually it is seen to be very good when your decisions, the past decisions have been correct. Otherwise it can also be very dual. It can bring negative results also, but in most of the cases it is seen to be good. Now, so don't worry, the overall year usually is seen to be a very good one. So see what exactly this year 8 brings, what are the results of all your decisions, and take some time off during the 7th time. You would really feel like analyzing your past decisions and you would see the hidden elements right now. So take some time off, see what it is, rejuvenate and replenish your energies and prepare for the storm. Now finally, if the personal year 9 is on for you, there can be 2 possible personal month numbers activated for you, either the personal month 7 or the personal month 8. The personal year 9 is the final personal year in your 9-year epicycle, and hence it is the time of closures and the time of transition into the new epicycle. And transitions and closures are always extremely emotional and chaotic cycles. Now when the personal month 7 comes within the personal year 9, it is extremely likely that you would go through a lot of introspection and also reflecting back at the past. You will analyze and reflect upon all your past decisions. And apart from that, 9 and 7 coming together can also be an extremely spiritual and emotional time for you to deal with. But most likely you're going to be internalizing your feelings. But don't worry, you're going to make a lot of realizations during this time, and you should be open towards sharing the wisdom that you're gaining. But as soon as the personal month 8 sets in, or the 7 transitions into the month 8, you may feel that the intense and the serious energy is subsiding a bit, and your physical energy is also rising. In the previous month, which was the personal month 7, your energy was a bit on the lower side, but as the month 8 would set in, your energy is going to be rising. So right with the onset of the personal month 8, most likely you're going to become more active about life, you're going to become a little more enthusiastic and progressive, and the emotional chaotic undertone which I talked about is going to remain, but this 8 month is going to be a positive one. And as I always say, that 8 is always a very potent time for any kind of decision making. So if there was any pending decision that you were wondering about how to go about it, you can definitely work upon that during this time. And never waste this 8 activated time. That is a thumb rule. Always have a plan ready for the 8 time. So basically what you can do is you can do all the planning and plotting during the 7 time, and then try to work them out during the 8 activated time. So that was all about your personal month breakup for the month of August 2021. If you want to learn on how your progressive chart or these cyclic numbers work in details, you can definitely read my second book called Cycle of 9, where I have written in details about how you can align yourself with the momentum of time. As a matter of fact, if you search by the right keywords, once again, all the information is already available on my channel completely for free. But in the book, I've put together all in one place, so that's going to save a lot of your time. Now I can keep on going on and on about this. The more we would dig deeper, the more we would get to discover, and the more we would get fascinated by this amazing science of numerology. My goal is always to share with you the viewpoint that's most accurate in my opinion, because only when it is accurate, it is going to be helpful or useful to you. There can be nothing like one forecast for a particular stereotype or a particular group of people. We all are different, we all are unique, and we all have our unique timing. So our forecast to should be very specific to us. On that note, let me call it a day. Once again, in case you're finding it difficult to do the calculations and find your activated numbers, just comment below and I can help you with it. If you have any ideas that you would like to share with me and would want me to work upon, you can definitely share them with me via comments or email. Last but not the least, remember to check the description box for all the relevant links. Know your numbers, be your numbers, and make the most out of your numbers. Have a very good time. Bye bye.